unicorns, are they the world's biggest failures on the stock market, with $135.1 billion loss? A danger of a second dot-com bubble? The era of cheap money is over. Inflation and global situation sent tech stocks down. Unicorn share prices have fallen more than 50% in the last year, and some have fallen more than 90%. Losses have to be financed, and it is increasingly difficult for unicorns to do so. It's serious. The cumulative losses of many startups that have not yet gone bankrupt are orders of magnitude larger than before. The table below shows the funds raised by the 15 biggest money-losing startups in the U.S. Cumulatively, they raised $93.8 billion in startup funds and have lost $135.1 billion. Profit anyone? Only one of these 15 companies has ever had a profitable quarter. Airbnb had a $378 million profit on $2.1 billion in revenue in the second quarter of 2022. All of the other startups in the table have recent losses that exceed 10% of revenue, and most exceed 30%. Biggest loser? The two biggest losers so far are Uber and WeWork. So far, Uber has cumulative losses of $31.7 billion and WeWork $20.7 billion, with no end in sight. Uber's stock price is down about 35% from its 52-week high. WeWork is down 71% and is now officially a penny stock. Enough is enough? When every company is at least 9 years old and 2 or more than 20 years old, profitability is just not around the corner. At some point, investors will say, enough is enough, and realize that it is a sunk cost fallacy to throw good money after bad. Just USA? Unicorns in other countries have similar problems. European, Delivery Hero, Deliveroo, and Wise, Chinese DDDIDIY, Kuaishou, Bilibili, and Pinduoduo, Indian, Ola, Paytm, and Zomato, Singaporean ones, Grab and Sea, they all have multi-billion-dollar cumulative losses. Some unicorns may soon go bankrupt or be acquired at fire sale prices. A failure of Uber or WeWork would be 10 times larger than the previous records for lost VC funding. A wave of unicorn failures would send tremors through financial markets, but it is unlikely that the federal government would use a too big to fail excuse to intervene for unicorns. We still believe in scaling startup dreams to unicorns before IPO. Even if some of them die hard, there is more than 1,000 of them and more unicorns coming every day. Just don't hurry on IPO. Investors on the stock market should be less greedy too.